Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dipped a slight 0.1% against the yen in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session after gaining as much as 2.4% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
ECB President Christine Lagarde said inflation in the Eurozone will decrease gradually over the year as its main drivers, such as surging energy prices and supply bottlenecks, are expected to ease. New York City Mayor Eric Adams confirmed his first paycheck, which arrives on Friday, will be converted into Bitcoin and Ethereum. The return of exotic forex derivatives as well as the introduction of swaptions are part of efforts to give corporates more risk management options as India's global trade integration expands.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count will be released at 1800 GMT. The Irish Consumer Confidence at 0:01 minute GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 1000 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The UK's GfK Consumer Confidence at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.